When it comes to perfecting your recipes or keeping track of your food intake, a reliable food scale is essential. Today, we'll be exploring the top 5 best food scales available on AliExpress that offer precision, durability, and great value for your money. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Digital Kitchen Scale, 10 kilograms per 1 grams. At number 5, we have the Digital Kitchen Scale with a 10 kilograms capacity and 1 grams precision. This scale is perfect for those who need both versatility and accuracy, allowing you to weigh a wide range of ingredients, from small quantities of spices to large amounts of flour or sugar. This food scale features a sleek, slim design, making it easy to store in any kitchen drawer or cabinet. Its stainless steel surface adds not only durability, but also a modern look to your kitchen setup. The scale operates using a high-precision strain gauge sensor system, giving you consistently accurate measurements in grams, kilograms, ounces, or pounds. One standout feature is the tare function, which lets you subtract the weight of a container or bowl to get the net weight of your ingredients. It's powered by standard AAA batteries, so replacing power is never an issue. The LCD display is clear and easy to read, even in low-light conditions, thanks to its backlight. Number 4. High Precision Digital Kitchen Scale, 15 kilograms per 1 grams. Next, we have the High Precision Digital Kitchen Scale with a whopping 15 kilograms capacity and 1 gram precision. This scale is ideal for anyone who regularly measures large quantities or bulk food items, but also needs precise accuracy for smaller portions. This scale stands out with its large stainless steel weighing platform, which can accommodate bigger bowls and containers. The robust construction ensures long-term durability, even with frequent use. With this scale, you can measure in various units, including grams, kilograms, ounces, and milliliters, making it versatile for different recipes and kitchen needs. The user-friendly design includes a large LCD screen with bright backlighting, so you won't have trouble reading measurements. The tare function makes it easy to zero out the weight of your container, and the auto-off feature saves battery life when not in use. Plus, it's designed to be easy to clean, with a smooth surface that wipes down quickly after use. For those who need a food scale that can handle heavier weights without sacrificing precision, this model offers excellent value and functionality. Number 3. Smart Bluetooth Digital Kitchen Scale, 5 kilograms, 1 gram. At number 3, we introduce the Smart Bluetooth Digital Kitchen Scale. What sets this model apart is its integration with modern technology, featuring Bluetooth connectivity that syncs with your smartphone. This makes it a fantastic option for tech-savvy users who want to take their meal planning or recipe tracking to the next level. With a capacity of 5 kilograms and 1 gram precision, it's ideal for most kitchen tasks, from weighing small ingredients like spices or herbs to larger items like meats or vegetables. The scale connects to a dedicated app that allows you to track nutritional information, helping you manage your calorie intake or follow specific diet plans. The app provides real-time data on calories, fats, proteins, and more, making meal preparation more efficient and health-conscious. The sleek, minimalist design of this scale will complement any modern kitchen. The surface is easy to clean, and the LCD screen is bright, clear, and backlit for easy reading. The smart functionality doesn't take away from its simplicity. This scale is still incredibly easy to use, with the same tare and unit conversion features that you'd expect from a high-quality kitchen scale. For those who want a food scale that not only helps with precise measurements, but also integrates with their health tracking routine, this Bluetooth-enabled scale is a top contender. Number 2. Professional Digital Food Scale, 3 kilograms, 0.1 grams, precision. The runner-up on our list is the Professional Digital Food Scale, boasting a precision of 0.1 grams and a capacity of 3 kilograms. This model is perfect for professionals or serious home cooks who need ultra-precise measurements, especially when working with small quantities of ingredients such as herbs, spices, or baking powder. The 0.1 grams precision makes this scale perfect for tasks that require meticulous accuracy, such as baking or following complex recipes where even slight variances can affect the outcome. Despite its high precision, the scale can handle larger tasks as well, up to 3 kilograms, making it versatile for everyday kitchen use. The design is compact, allowing it to easily fit on your countertop without taking up too much space. Its stainless steel surface is both durable and easy to clean. The digital display is bright, with large numbers that are easy to read, and it includes all the usual functions like tare and unit conversion. Number 1. Ultra Slim Digital Kitchen Scale, 10 kg, 0.1 grams precision. Finally, at the top of our list is the Ultra Slim Digital Kitchen Scale, with an impressive combination of 10 kilograms capacity and 0.1 grams precision. This food scale offers the best of both worlds, the ability to weigh large and heavy items while also providing the extreme precision needed for more delicate measurements. This model is ultra slim, making it not only sleek and stylish, but also incredibly easy to store. Its stainless steel weighing platform is both durable and elegant, while the compact design ensures it can fit into any kitchen without taking up too much space. The 0.1 degree precision makes it ideal for precision tasks like baking, where exact measurements are crucial. Despite its slim profile, this scale features a large LCD screen with bright, backlit numbers that are easy to read. It's powered by AAA batteries and includes an auto-off function to conserve power. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.